Hey guys, what's up? So today I've gotten for you a tool that I think you're going to find really interesting because you can do pretty much anything you want as far as writing, chatting with an AI assistant, or designing images and more. So this tool is going to be really useful, especially for marketers, for agency owners. If you're trying to automate your task, you need an AI assistant. You could very well use this tool, and I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can test it out for free. Now you see this can also analyze your documents. It can help you analyze it and interpret it and then give you a summary or help you actually figure out what's in the document, and then you can work with the info however you would like. Okay, so you can see I've added in a document and it's read it, it's analyzed it, and then it's given me a summary. You can also use this for creating content, so you can create factual content. So this is the USP of this tool, is that you can create factual content, and I'll show you there's a lot of different mini tools within this tool that will help you to actually create really high quality content. You can also humanize content, so you can see that this is the humanizer, and I've humanized this content. This is how it looks. And of course we can also create stunning AI generated images. So you could look at this. I mean, I could set this as my wallpaper, right? It looks amazing, generated with AI with the help of a prompt. This is a more realistic image, but then this is also generated by AI. Okay, so really high quality stuff here. I'm going to take you through each and every aspect of this tool and show you how you can use this to enhance your productivity. So let's get started with one of the more unique features, which is the URL writer. Okay, so what this essentially can help you do is write an article from scratch without your intervention. Okay, all you have to do is provide it with a URL of an article that you want to replicate or write something, or you want the AI to write an article to something similar. Okay, so what I'll do is come over to Search Engine Journal, go through this, and let's say I copy the link of an article. Let's do this one. It's probably the latest one. Google completes November 2024 core update. Okay, so I'll come over to my tool, paste it in here. Okay, and I can select through all these different options. So I have the content type, long form, whether I want a Facebook post, YouTube post, a newsletter. I'll just let this be to long form. Okay, you can select the maximum length of the content, tone of voice, a lot of different tones of voices. Let's go with friendly. Creativity you can set. I mean, basic is fine, but you could also go ahead with average, good, or extreme. So I'll just click on write, and then you'll see it's going to use the AI to study the content on the URL and then magically write the content like you see over here. Okay, so it's written this content, and as I showed you over here, this was about the November 2024 update. Google completes November 2024 core update as well, and this is completely unique content. Okay, so if I could just open this in a new tab and show you the content. Will complete November 24 core algorithm update after 3 weeks rollout showing. Okay, so here's the highlights, and then it goes into saying something, and then on our tool we have on December 5th 2024 Google confirmed the completion of its November 2024 core update. So it's rewritten the content completely. Okay, and there's a lot of content. Of course we could expand on this, remove a few parts based on our requirements, but then this is the power of this tool. All you need is another article, really, and then AI is going to create an article from scratch. Okay, now you can export this. There's different ways of doing this. You could export this directly to your website. So if you have a WordPress website, it's going to be really easy to do that. All you have to do is add in your website name, URL, install the plugin. So you could download the plugin from here. It's really easy. Click on it and it'll get downloaded, and then you could install it to your WordPress website. There's also these other formats in which you can export your document, the regular ones, but I want to show you the next feature, which is actually the image. So we have the Katteb design, and again it's really easy to generate an image like I showed you. All you have to do is add in a prompt. Okay, so I'll just add in a prompt. I have a prompt ready. Create image, and it's going to generate an image. in a matter of seconds. So the prompt is a cozy room filled with fluffy cats lounging on cushions. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, you see this. So we have the cats lounging on these cushions, and it looks really nice, right? So I'll just save this to my dashboard, and then we are good to go. Up next, I want to show you the chat feature, because this is the feature that I'm going to be using the most. Because this is where you can, of course, chat with the AI assistant, but you can also upload documents. Okay, so this is a very important feature that I feel that most AI assistants should have, because people, professionals who be working with a lot of documents, a lot of data, we need a tool like this. So I have a document over here which is named cities in the United Kingdom, cities in UK. Essentially what it has is all the list of all the major cities in England. And as you can see, the document has been uploaded. I want it to analyze this document and give me a summary. So I'll say something like, analyze this doc and give me a summary, and then it's going to do just that. It's going to take a few seconds, but it's generally quite quick. As you can see, it just took a few seconds, and then it says the document you uploaded is a list of cities in the United Kingdom, includes a comprehensive list of cities such as Bath, Birmingham, Bradford, and many others. So very, very accurate. And of course, this is a very simple document, but you could upload your documents with any types of calculations or complex data, and the AI is going to help you interpret that data very, very easily. Okay. So this is another feature. By the way, you could also change the color. Okay, so I like the dark mode, but we can also switch to the light mode. As a matter of fact, for the rest of this video, let's just keep it to the light mode. I want to bring you back to this column here to show you the factual writer. Okay, so this is a new addition to the toolkit. We'll see what we can do with the factual writer. So all we have to do is paste in the content over here. By doing that, the tool is going to analyze the content and then tell us whether the content is factual or not, where there's any corrections to be made, is there any inconsistency, wrong information. So this is going to be very useful if you're trying to create original content. So what I'll do is I'll come over to Search Engine Journal once again. I love this magazine. And we'll select another article. Let's go ahead with, let's say this, Google on robots.txt, when to use no index versus disallow. So this is a little complex of a topic, but I'm well aware of the subject matter because I am an SEO specialist. So I'll bring it over to our tool, and we have that additional feature as well, which makes things so easy. All we have to do is add in the URL, and then it's going to study the content on the URL and automatically import the content. Once it does that, after that, it's going to check the content for facts. Okay, so as you can see, we have the content imported over here. Okay, so what we'll do is click on this button, and then it's going to check it for any inconsistencies. So it's done analyzing the content, and as you can see, we have a fact score of 56. Okay, now how this works is it actually goes ahead and studies each and every important line within your content, and then makes the decision whether it's factual or not factual, and then it'll also give you relevant links supporting its decision. So as you can see, this piece of content, so Google recommends not combining robots.txt disallow with no index tag. So this is a fact. Okay, and then we also have these links that point to the source. This other piece of information here, so use no index when you want a page crawled but not in search results. So this is not factual. And then we have some links pointing to the source of information. So as you can see, using this tool is going to really streamline. Using this tool is going to help you create really genuine content, first of all, and plus you're going to have content that is based on facts. And by chance, if it's not, you can go ahead and click on this button, by which you can rewrite the content with facts. How cool is that? So that's what we'll do. I'll click on this. So it's redone the content on this pane, as you can see, and it's done so with facts. Okay, so it's created factual content, and there's a lot of content over here. You can see if I go to the bottom, a lot of factually written content. So you can see how easy it is to use this tool, Katteb. All you have to do is click a few buttons, and then you will have factual content ready to go on your websites. And I haven't seen this feature in any other tools so far. So kudos to the Katteb team. You guys are doing a great job. That being said, there's few more features over here. So we have the YouTube writer, Amazon writer, a lot of different features over here. We also have the Katteb writer, in which you have a lot of different templates, like we get to see in the other copywriting tools. So we have the blog, intro, feature snippet, real estate description, so on and so forth. The list is endless. Okay. So I am going to leave a link to Katteb in the description. Go ahead and test it out for yourself. I felt this tool to be really high quality. Even the interface, looks really unique, really clean, clutter free. So great job. And you should definitely try this tool out. If you've tried out, let's say WriteSonic or Copy.ai, you should try out Katteb as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.